What's the meaning of Billy? Billy. Billy.
Billy. Billy. The term Billy can have different meanings depending on the context. One of the most common meanings is a male goat, particularly a young one. In this sense, the word is often used in farming or rural settings. Another meaning of Billy is a nickname for someone with the given name William or Bill. This usage of the term has been around for centuries and still persists today. Additionally, Billy can also refer to a type of club or stick used as a weapon. Overall, while Billy may have multiple meanings, each application of the term is typically clear based on the context in which it is used.